Tommy, after dinner, we must clean the kitchen together. Washing dishes keeps everything tidy and healthy.
Oh, Mom, this plate smells really funny and yucky. I think the noodles stayed here all night.
That is why we wash dishes quickly.
Look, Mom, I am wearing my apron like a little chef. Now I am ready to do dishes with you.
You look amazing and responsible.
I climb my step stool slowly so I can reach the sink safely. I feel taller already.
Good job, keep your balance.
First, we stack the dishes together so washing becomes easier and faster. Organization helps us work better. Oh no, Mom, the plate is slipping from my hands. It feels so wet and dangerous.
Hold slippery dishes carefully, Tommy.
Before washing, we discard leftover food into the trash to keep the sink clean. That is very important. I push everything off plates.
Remember, Tommy, never rinse food scraps into the sink because they can block the drain and cause big trouble.
I will remember this rule. These rubber gloves are so big and funny. My hands feel like giant balloons today.
They help protect your skin.
Turn on the faucet gently and watch the water flow smoothly into the sink.
We fill the sink halfway with warm water so washing dishes becomes easier and safer for your small hands.
I watch the water carefully. Now pour the dish soap gently into the water and watch how soft bubbles begin forming everywhere. Wow, bubbles are appearing already! Mom, look, the foam is growing like snowy clouds. It feels soft and fun on my gloves.
Yes, bubbles help remove grease.
Hold the sponge firmly and scrub plates in small circles so the soap can clean every greasy spot. I am scrubbing slowly now. Remember to clean both inside and outside of bowls because food sometimes sticks in hidden places. I check every bowl carefully. Wash the glasses very gently because they are fragile and slippery when covered with soap bubbles. I hold them very carefully. Mom, look! I made a bubble beard like Santa! Washing dishes can be really funny sometimes.
You are so playful today.
The sink looks like a bubble mountain and everything feels soft and clean around us today. That means soap is working.
Great job, Tommy. Now we are ready to rinse the soap off and make the dishes completely clean.
I am excited to finish.
Now turn the faucet slowly and rinse the soap off each dish carefully until no bubbles remain anywhere.
I watch the foam disappear. That's it. You're doing clean. Look, the soap is sliding away like tiny shiny raindrops dancing across the plate surface. That means it is clean. Rinse both the inside and outside of bowls so no slippery soap remains when we place them on rack. I rinse every part. Hold fragile glasses gently while rinsing because smooth surfaces can slip easily if you move too fast. I move slowly and steady. Wow, Mom, this plate is shining like a mirror now. I can almost see my happy face. After rinsing, pass each clean dish to me slowly so we can place everything safely on drying rack. I hold them carefully. Put plates upright on the drying rack so water can drip down and air helps them dry faster. I arrange them neatly. Turn bowls upside down so extra water runs off easily and they dry completely before we store them. I line them carefully. We also clean the sink after washing dishes so the whole kitchen feels fresh and ready next time. I wipe it gently. After washing, squeeze the sponge dry and place it neatly so it stays clean and ready later. I put it here. Now turn off the faucet completely to save water and keep our kitchen safe and tidy every day. I always remember that. Wow, Mom, the kitchen looks bright and beautiful now. Cleaning together makes everything feel happy and comfortable.
We will put dishes away later when they are completely dry, so they stay shiny and ready for meals.
I feel proud helping. Mom, look, the kitchen feels brighter and happier after washing dishes together. Everything looks shiny like a magic place. I can see my face shining on this plate. Washing dishes makes me feel proud and grown up.
When we keep our home clean every day, it starts to feel magical and comfortable for everyone living here. Helping with simple chores teaches responsibility and care. You are learning important life skills while growing every single day.
I want to help more. Friends, washing dishes can be easy and fun if you follow the steps and help your family happily. Remember to discard food, use soap bubbles, rinse carefully, and place dishes on the rack to dry properly. Everything looks peaceful and clean now. Our kitchen feels ready for tomorrow's breakfast and new adventures together.
Keep your home clean, help your family, and practice English every day. Let's learn and grow happily together. See you in the next video.